Click on the link below to get price. Welcome back to our show. I'm so glad you could join us today. Picture this. You're out camping, surrounded by nature, and suddenly your devices run out of juice. Or maybe you're at home, and a sudden blackout throws your evening plans into chaos. Frustrating, right? It can definitely put a damper on your fun. But what if I told you there's a way to prepare for these situations? Imagine having a reliable power source that doesn't just enhance your outdoor adventures, but also keeps you ready for unexpected emergencies. Meet the Pecron E3600LFP portable power station, your new best friend in portable energy. This powerhouse isn't just any power station. With a staggering 3072 Wh capacity and an impressive 3600 W output, it's designed to keep your devices powered up no matter where you are. Whether you're deep in the wilderness, enjoying a fun-filled road trip, or facing the uncertainty of an unexpected outage at home, this portable power station has got you covered. It's essentially an essential companion for outdoor enthusiasts and road trippers alike. So, you might be wondering, what exactly makes the Pecron stand out in a crowded market? One of its most significant features is its state-of-the-art LiFePO4 battery, renowned for its longevity and efficiency. Unlike traditional batteries, the LiFePO4 offers greater safety and stability, enabling you to rely on this power station for years to come. Plus, with the addition of a double voltage hub, you can boost its capacity to an incredible 15.36 kilowatt-hour. This means you can power more devices for longer durations, bringing unprecedented freedom to your adventures. Now, let's talk about portability because we know it's key when you're on the move. Pecron has thought this through with a convenient trolley kit, allowing you to easily roll it to your favorite camping spot. Just imagine setting up your campsite with everything you need powered up: the lights, the cooler, even your smartphone for those Instagram snaps. If the thought of complex technology makes you a bit anxious, fear not. The Pecron is designed to be super user-friendly. Just plug it in, and you're ready to go. No tech expertise required. This ease of use means you can focus more on enjoying your time outdoors and less on fumbling with complicated setups. And for those of you who are eco-conscious, you'll love the solar charging capability. This feature allows you to harness the sun's energy while you're out enjoying the beauty of nature. It's a fantastic win-win situation. Stay green while having fun. But don't just take my word for it. Users across various platforms rave about the Pecron's efficiency, impressive battery life, and quick charging times. Many have shared testimonials about how this power station kept their devices running smoothly in tough situations. However, like any product, it does have its cons. Some users have mentioned that its size and weight could be a factor to consider when packing for a camping trip. So, it's worth thinking about how it fits into your travel plans. When you compare the Pecron to similar products on the market, it truly shines. The unique LiFePO4 battery and expandable power system set it apart from the competition. Numerous users emphasize how much more secure they feel having this power station on their side during emergencies. Knowing that you have a reliable energy source can offer peace of mind, whether you're adventuring in the wild or dealing with a stormy night at home. As we wrap up today's episode, let's reflect for a moment. How often have you found yourself wishing for a reliable power source during a camping trip or a blackout? And with the Pecron E3600LFP portable power station, you could have that peace of mind, ensuring your devices stay charged and your plans stay on track. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for a portable power solution that truly delivers, give the Pecron a serious look. It just might be the answer you've been searching for. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Until next time, keep powered up and enjoy your adventures. Click on the link below to get price.